This project really sticks out as one of the projects we're really good at tackling because it involved the customer who was inheriting a new production facility and all of the associated process equipment that goes with it. The challenge for us was that the equipment line wasn't going to be an entirely greenfield project. Some equipment was going to stay, other equipment needed to be replaced. So it was a project that required really good boots on the ground engineering, as well as really good equipment design and build.
The biggest challenge, I guess, in this project was trying to make sure it fit the existing envelope of the original equipment. So making sure all the mounting was correct and the space limitations.
Our solution included not only upgraded design and build of equipment, but also an upgraded control and operational sequence so that the operators could be able to operate the line with increased confidence, increased efficiency, increased safety.
The biggest impact down the line will probably be more uptime, reliability will be higher, less complicated equipment now from what we're replacing.
Ultimately, the end customer, Nucor, has an equipment line that's able to run at faster speeds with higher efficiency, increased safety, and most importantly, for us, and I hope for the customer as well, better job satisfaction for the folks that are actually running the line. Our mantra here is we don't go home until the customer's happy. That's what makes projects fun for us, is when we can actually see the impact that it makes, not only to the bottom line of the business, but to the folks that are actually running the line as well.